In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unused style classes in Webflow. If your Webflow project has been growing over time, it's completely normal for old or unused classes to build up in the background. Cleaning them out can make your project feel more organized and easier to manage, especially when you are working with lots of styles. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to remove unused classes using the bulk method. And then I will also show you how to delete them individually if you want a little more control. To get started, open your Webflow project. Once you are inside the designer, the main place you will be working from is the Style Selectors panel. If you want to remove every unused class all at once, start by opening the Style Selectors panel in the left sidebar. You can also press G on your keyboard to open it quickly, which is a useful shortcut if you want to speed up your workflow. After the panel opens, look in the top right corner for the broom icon labeled Clean Up Unused Styles. This tool is specifically designed to find classes that are no longer being used anywhere in your project. Click that broom icon, and Webflow will prompt you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete to confirm, and all unreferenced classes will be removed in one go. This is the fastest method if you are confident you no longer need any of those unused styles. If you'd rather review things more carefully, you can also delete unused classes one by one. In the Style Selectors panel, move your cursor over a class and check whether it has a list icon. That icon tells you the class is actively being used somewhere in the project, which means it cannot be deleted. If a class does not have the list icon, that means it's unused. To remove it, click the pencil icon next to the class name to open its options. Then click the trash icon to permanently delete it. This individual method is helpful if you want to be more selective and avoid deleting multiple classes at once. It gives you a chance to inspect your styles before removing them, which can be especially useful in larger or more complex projects. And that's it. Thanks for watching.